Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unread a message on Instagram. Let's get started. If you want to make a mark or there is a message that you want to read later, but you just open it, so you can unread by tap your message, your inbox. If you're still a regular account, personal account, you cannot unread. There is no option here. You have to go to a professional by tap your account, or let's go to home page first. Back to your account and tap the three stripe at the top of your screen. This one, tap it, scroll down, and this is account type and tools. Switch to professional account, tap continue, and what best describes you is up to you. Maybe you wanna become editor here. Done. Okay, wait, you can choose creator or business. I choose creator here. So it's done. Your account become professional. Let's get back to the inbox. You can hold, and this is mark as unread. So try again, mark as unread. You can try again one by one. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below.